Hello everyone, it's Mari and I'm back again today for Trinity Stamps. Trinity Stamps is having a coffee themed week and I am going to be making this coffee mug card that you see on the screen here. I started off here with the mug card die set die cut. Actually, one of the Trinity Stamps team members die cut this for me and sent it to me because I didn't have this particular die set. I definitely want to add this to my stash, but I didn't have it at the time of the project that needed to be created, so she sent it to me. I was very excited when I saw this, and if you don't have this set in your stash, it is really super fun. So what I'm going to do is just tape the cup closed for now so that I can do some stenciling on the outside of it. I'm actually going to take a little bit of sizzix sticky grid and I'm going to stick that to my Tim Holtz glass mat here, and that is going to keep that mug stuck down to my surface while I do some stenciling. I do apologize for the camera shake here. I do not have a super sturdy table that I work on here, and so there is a little bit of camera shake, so I do apologize for that. This is the beautiful Bed of Roses stencil set. What I really love about this, besides the fact that these florals and these leaves are perfect and they coordinate so fantastic together, is that this can also be used for a slimline card because of the size of it. So it's perfect for an A2 or slimline card or anything in between. So I'm going to tape this down over top of the card die, and I'm going to actually mask off the top where that the brown coffee is going to be showing there. And I'm going to just go ahead and stencil on a really pretty light pink with my Trinity Stamps blending brushes. And so I'm going to layer the light pink first. It's always good when you're layering to start with your lightest color and then go darker from there. And I am actually going to add a darker pink in the center of my flower. So I'm just going to kind of use the tip of my Trinity Stamps brush. I love the shape of these brushes because it does allow you to kind of get in with the tip of the brush. And I'm going to put the darker pink kind of in the center area of these beautiful little roses. This is such a sweet stencil. If you do not have this, it's gorgeous. And what I love about stencils is they're not super expensive, right? And they're just a really great tool to have in your arsenal of products to create with. Now, it's really easy to layer the leaves over top of the florals because the florals are etched on this stencil as well. So you just layer up the florals over top of the existing florals, and the open space then is the leaves. So you can go in with your different colors. I'm using 2 different colors of teal or aqua. And there you have the stenciled finished product there. I love that. I think it's so pretty. Now I'm going to take the little cutaway, that's the coffee. I'm going to color that with my E35 Copic marker. I'm going to go over that a few times to darken it up, and I'm going to add a little bit of tape runner adhesive to the back of it. I will just take that and put it in the place where that coffee goes. I will push on it so that it sticks to the inside of the mug, and in that way when you open up the mug, the coffee will actually stay on the inside of the card. So I think that's just kind of cute how that works, and that will finish up that coffee section of the mug, and you can just see how that opens. And I love the floral on the mug. I think it's super cute. Now there is also, as part of this die set, a little insert that you can use for putting a gift card inside, or a gift card for a coffee shop and something like that. And so I actually wanted to include this, and I'm just going to use my tape runner again and adhere it to the back of the card so that the coffee on the inside of the card doesn't get covered up by that insert. So now I'm going to take I have taken the marshmallow alphabet die set, and I have die cut the letters SIS to spell out sis. This is actually a card that I am making for my sister. I die cut those letters out of some really pretty blue cardstock. And then there's also a star die with that marshmallow alphabet die set that I thought was really super cute. And I like that gold glitter cardstock on here as well. So I'm going to get those stuck down. Once they're stuck down, I'm going to splatter some Heidi Swapp Gold Color Shine over top of my entire card just to bring a little pop of gold onto the card. And I love how that looks. I have linked up to all of the different products that I used for this project in the description box below. So if you just click that show more section below the video, you will see all of the products that I used. Thank you so much everyone for checking out my card today. I am also going to show you a couple of other videos that you might like to watch, and make sure and hit that like and subscribe. Bye-bye.